Well, we're still under heat advisory, so if you're holding out for a blizzard, go to Dairy Queen.
Hey, Karen's got the jokes today. So even better than just taking care of yourself and indulging in something as fresh as this, how about cooling down and helping others? Our new bestest friend on the whole planet, this is Mallory Immel. She's with Dairy Queen. So the blizzard, obviously, the blizzard speaks for itself, legendary, yada, yada. But what about the sweet deal here where if I go grab one of these, I'm helping out local hospitals? Because we love the idea of participating in both, right?
Absolutely. So tomorrow on July 31st, it's Miracle Treat Day.
Okay.
So if you go to a Dairy Queen in your neighborhood, $1 or more from every blizzard sold is going to go to our local children's hospitals here in the DFW area.
A buck or more. And
A
you're
buck or
thinking,
more.
So does that include the
that.
entire summer blizzard menu, or
Any blizzard on the menu that you're feeling will go towards the kiddos. And here in the DFW area, we'll help Cook Children's and Children's in Dallas.
Awesome.
I love that at the drive-thru. It's going to be, no, Mallory said anyone I'm feeling. Anyone I'm feeling.
And you did bring, because I didn't yet, summer blizzard. I mean, to me, it's just blizzard. Awesome.
Yeah.
But you actually have specific summer menu items.
We do. So we have special limited edition summer items.
So these weren't out like before this summer, per se.
Some weren't, but some
Okay.
are returning favorites.
Gotcha.
We've got 2 brand new ones. So the new ones, we've got the dipped strawberry cheesecake here.
Okay.
And then we also have the mixing bowl mashup. Those are the 2 brand new flavors. And some returning favorites.
Well, I mean, I'll
that
bite
one.
it.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
go
can I
for
do
it.
the? Can I do the
You
thing?
can. It'll hold.
Because it's a felony if you don't do it before you get it. You get. Look at
Oh, there you go.
that. Hey, hire the guy. Hire the guy already.
And it's delicious.
And you said the mixing bowl mashup again is what is in that?
It is the chocolate soft serve mixed with chunks of cookie dough in there. So it's delicious.
Okay.
And then the returning favorites, we've got your cotton candy, s'mores, and confetti cake. So anything you're feeling,
And you
we've
said
got
the
it.
s'mores are your fave.
Karen,
S'mores
you-
my personal
you
favorite
want
for the
to bite,
summer.
Karen?
Oh, wow. Yeah,
You want
thanks.
to bite?
Wow.
Okay.
You got
So
to
appealing.
pick your face.
Okay, so, but just clarify, every single Dairy Queen is participating in this, no matter
Here in
where
the
you are?
Dallas area and then across Texas, participating locations. All that $1 or more is going to go back to your children's hospital.
You know, and Doug was mentioning, the blizzard is legendary. But,
Doug is
I mean,
eating
I
legendary.
remember when the blizzard first came out. That just dating me a lot.
It debuted in
But yeah.
1985.
So, yeah, 40 years. So
Oh,
it's
I
40
thought it-
years.
I thought it was 35. That's great.
40 years of blizzard fun.
Love you, mean it.
math is hard. Anyway, but yeah, that's a really big milestone,
Yeah.
40 years.
And it did so good in its first year. They sold over 100 million blizzards.
100 million?
They found an immediate hit that they added.
Holy cow.
I still remember the Bob Phillips commercials, the Texas Country Reporter. I still remember them, and it's like, and Bob knows, he watches, so yeah.
Mallory, this is really good.
That is also delicious. Got chunks of
Strawberry, got the chocolate chunks in there.
cheesecake.
If I was Guy Fieri, I'd be okay talking with my mouth full, right?
Yeah, it's part of the,
You can do
the
that.
allure
That's
of
right.
it.
Okay.